Not sure where to go when you arrive at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville for service or parts? This video will guide you through where to go for each department. Keep in mind that all Jeep service from Jeepland will now take place at the Performance CJDR store just down the road due to our expanded service department. If you are here for an oil change or tires or anything else listed on the screen, pull straight into the express lane for your service. All other service visits will be in the lane to the left of the express lane. If the doors are closed during our open hours, pull up close to the doors and the sensors will open the door and pull straight in. If they remain closed, they may be full, so you can park your vehicle and walk inside the door to the left of the service drive. The night drop-off box is also located by that door. If you are here for the parts department, you'll want to pull around to the left side of the building and park in the lot. Then you can walk straight into the parts store. Thanks for visiting Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville. We can't wait to see you.